Hi everyone, welcome to
Live in Life.
My name is Victoria, this is my wife
Regina.
Yes, and today we're going to eat Korean food again. And you know, Mok-Bang, it started from Korea, so we are honoring the Korean idea that we so love. So as for today, we are eating kimbap. This is sausage kimbap. This one is chicken, Korean chicken. Someone asked us to try Korean chicken and it should be very interesting, so we added another full of Korean chicken. This is tteokbokki, or a rice cake, spicy rice cakes and spicy sauce. This is japchae. This is sweet potato vermicelli that I'm making here and there. And here, the yellow one. This is very classical with the food. They eat yellow. How it's
Radish?
called? Radish.
That's what you
pickled
said.
radish. Yeah. Those are Korean fish cakes. We love those. And this is ponytail kimchi. And I will explain why it's called ponytail kimchi.
Yeah.
Look.
Wait, fine.
No, I think I need normal ones. I don't think we... Thank you.
And you would ask, if you're me, what the heck is ponytail kimchi?
What the heck is ponytail kimchi? I will
Yes.
tell you. I will show you how
those
it
are
looks.
small.
Those are small.
They're challenging my talents.
Oh yeah. This is how it
goodness.
looks like. No, I can't. This is how it looks like. As you see, this is young radish. This Korean radish, very young, and you see those parts should be here like ponytail. They fell a little bit, but if they attach, they look like ponytail. You see, they need to be. No, I'm not sure if they are something to attach with.
Maybe here a bit more.
You see here, this is the part. So that's why it's called ponytail kimchi. You see, like this.
I would say bowl.
Yeah. Really nice. Really crunchy.
Very spicy.
Not overly, I think, but I could be wrong. Nice.
Let's remove some paste.
By the way, we have a little bit of rice cakes here. Not
Alright.
rice cake, fish cakes here as well.
Okay. See how brave I am.
Good. Too spicy?
Spicy, but manageable. I took some red stuff from the top. Now let's try the kimbap. I want a kimbap. See? No, maybe from this side. Let's switch it sides. I think you'll see it better from this side. There you go. See?
This is rice cakes.
So let's see what's inside. Sausage, egg, and actually fish cake, cucumber, and carrots,
And yellow.
and rice, and yellow radish. That yellow radish?
Yeah,
Am I correct?
totally.
There you go.
And egg.
I said egg.
Ah, okay. Now I need to try the chicken. What do you think? It's nice.
Oh, okay. It's good. I have the chicken. Chicken.
Chicken's wonderful. It's good. Chicken.
It's really good. It's not overly spicy at all.
No.
It's kind of mild. To the end, it's a bit mild plus. No, it's mild. It's really chewy.
It's really true. I'm going to try their japchae because I love my japchae, but I need to try their japchae.
And this is sweet, but not, and mild spiciness, I would say. What do you say? I think that's the right description.
It's nice, but it's sweeter than mine. I love it more savory. The chapcha. Try the tteokbokki and the fish cake here. Is it spicy? Yes, it is. I'm going to dip this one inside.
Let's try the chapcha.
Inside the sauce.
Yep, yours is better.
Mine is better. This is how it's called? Kimbap.
Oh, kimbap is good.
I love kimbap. Mine is definitely better.
Yours definitely better. I want the radish. Let's try the pickle.
Flying radish.
Ariel is not doing mukbang with us, he's playing with his buddy, and he didn't really want to eat.
No.
But we got him a piece, oh god, oh there it is, to attach to his, to the chopsticks, so it's like a training one, just piece sits on top, so it's kind of cool. He said he wants to learn, so. With those ones, honestly I should have got one for myself. Those chopsticks are brutal.
I know.
They're so little and so, wow, I like the pickle.
It's nice. It's nice. It's sweet.
Yum yum yum. I love the pickle.
I know that all of them, if you go to Korea, they're always on the table.
Actually more on the sweeter side, I would say, than savory.
It's sweet.
They're kind of sweeter.
It's sweet.
They're kind of sweet.
And this one?
Unexpectedly, I thought they're going to be more. Yeah,
No.
I'll get there. Let me get one. Kimbap.
This is the ponytail of the egg.
Did you eat the whole thing already?
Oh yeah.
Wow, 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 wow.
Yeah. So it's pickled with their, leaves. I love the crunch. On it.
And you know what? Inside it's not. It's just on the top. So because of the thickness of the radish, it doesn't feel so like overpowering spicy. Because the inside is obviously not, just the outside. And if you smoosh some redness out of it, it's kind of good. Just a bit. All right, the chicken. Now, is that the rice cake?
I don't have to.
Let me eat the fish cake.
You can
Isn't that the beauty?
you can dip in there just to try the sauce, but you will know. How bad is it? It's quite spicy. Not too bad, but it's spicy.
I'm ready.
Ta da 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 ta 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 da ta 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 ta. One, 2, 3, 4. No. 5. Try the rice, the fish cake inside. It's really good as well.
You know what? Okay. Now, a bit. Well, I would say on the medium, higher medium kind of.
Yeah.
Not because it's spicy to eat in the beginning, but it's really like spicier than it kind of burns on the back of your, well,
Throat.
the whole tongue on the back of the throat, but not really bad. No. I expected to be more. Mind you, I took some rice cake with a little bit whiteness on it. But still, it was covered with sauce on top, so. No, you know what? I think I will survive Korea.
I don't think it's Korean spice though. But you will survive Korea for sure.
Well, I'm in training, right? Cheers!
Korean chicken. Someone told me that Korean chicken is marvelous.
So is it spicier in Korea? Would be everything?
It depends, but yes, mostly yes, a little bit. The thing is that a lot of this food made for Korean people anyway, so
So if I can eat that, I should be okay
yeah.
most of the time.
You know, I understand that people in Korea, most of them, not all of them, but you go to restaurant 1 or 2 times and afterwards your tolerance of spice skyrocketing.
What do you mean? Because you kind of go over the hump?
Yes.
Alright. Interesting.
I love this kimchi. You see that every time I'm bringing different kimchi.
Give me a second. What?
Just a second.
Oh my god, you're doing the mukbang. No, I'm not done. I'm not complaining.
He came to take something.
I came to take some. I like the chicken. The chicken is more sweet than spicy. It has mild spiciness to it, but not really, anything
mild.
that would expect. It's more like what is that sauce on top? It's like chili. You know that they sell in the bottle? Isn't that the same? Like chili.
Like this one?
No. I think it's more like you know, like this jelly-like sauce with some chili flakes, clear that we used to buy in the past.
Sweet Thai?
Sweet, yeah, one of those. Bye, sweetie. Have fun.
He came to take something.
Right? Mm-hmm. I know what I mean.
Oh yeah. It's good.
It's good.
Are you going to try this fish cake with the...
I think she asked so many times, like it's almost like a challenge. And she probably asked you at least 3 times, if not more. I thought she let it go. Okay, kimbap then.
Kimbap is our new fav. I love it. The chicken too. Oh, I have deja vu. I don't know.
Alright. Alright. Red on the outside, red on the other side, smashed on the table. Oh, jeez. Yeah. I know. I'll practice my chopstick skills anyhow. I dipped it more in the red sauce. Ta-da-da-da-da-dum!
Nice. No?
Not yet.
From it?
No, that was even milder than rice cake. Not even a big deal.
Chicken is
Well,
really
maybe I
good.
should show. Let's have a look inside. Oh man. Those chopsticks are rough.
They are. They're
So
fine.
fine.
Fine motor skills.
Yeah, overly fine.
Nice.
Yummy yums.
Yummy, totally yums. We can't.
So she
wait.
said this is spice. It's okay.
It's not.
Like I can't say it doesn't burn, but it's not anything, major. Unless my tolerance is better now. I don't
It is
know.
actually.
Is it fairly spicy? What fine?
It's very spicy.
not high. It's kind of medium highish. Depends on the bite.
Yeah, I think,
Especially the rice cake.
I think not the rice cake, the fish cake.
No, the rice cake was way spicier. The second one that they took, the little fish cake, was not even a big deal.
Okay.
The rice cake felt spicier. Maybe I had more sauce on it.
Maybe.
I don't know.
I love this. I love fish cake in this.
All right, still going strong on the radish.
How would you finish the second one?
Wow. Who can compete
With the spiciness?
in our family with you? I can't. Chicken is
Yum,
good.
yum. Chicken is good. It's really nice. In Korea, there is...
Do you want the radish?
No, you wait, I don't. I have my radish.
I love this one. I think if you add a little bit to this rice wine vinegar, just a tinge, it will take the sweetness a bit and adds that level of just tiny bit more pickleness. What do you say?
Oh, I love it.
Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Alright, still going strong. Kimbap?
Finish.
What? No. I'm not going to finish. I need one more.
It's good. It's a bit spicy.
One chicken?
Yeah. On this. Chicken.
Will it fit? Or will not fit?
And Regina we trust.
It fits.
Yeah.
Now look at
No.
this one. Is that one piece? No. Whew. Cute little pieces. Tiny.
Nice. Have a little burn there. Not much, but just a bit.
Yeah, I have a bit burnt too.
But it's nice burn. Like, you know what? It's really nice burn.
Okay. I will finish you. Oh.
It's good. That's it. This is mine.
Unless you want me to. Are you challenging me to another one?
Just if you
Are you
want.
challenging me?
No, I'm not challenging you.
Okay,
Actually.
then they're yours.
I don't care really. You ate one piece, I'm good. It's nice and chewy and wonderful. I love that bouquet.
Chicken?
No, thank you. Don't want.
What?
Don't want chicken. I really don't want chicken.
I don't have it.
I love it. This is burns the most, I think, out of all of them.
Oh, yeah.
And basically this one and this one absolutely different type of spice.
Kimbap, Sweeney?
No,
Seriously.
sure.
Why?
I'm good.
Any kimbap goes in?
I thought I will need gochujang for this one, but I dipped it in the sauce. Cheers.
Okay. Ponytail.
Nice.
Can you hear it?
Oh yeah. I can totally hear it.
Alright, chicken. Yeah, one chicken, one kimbap. You want anything?
Yes, that you will eat it. Yep.
I'm stuffed. In so many ways stuffed.
Nice. I like that.
Okay, which one goes first?
Whatever. This.
Fair enough. Last kimbap.
Kebab is good.
Kimbap is good.
It's not sushi for sure. Because it's
It's more like sandwich.
it's yeah, it's used more like sandwich. The idea behind it, it's the mom. Like I think I told it in one of the mukbangs, is the mom usually in the morning. Kids take it to school. People take it to work. It's a lunch. It's something that you will usually think about like a sandwich.
You're shaking the table. My arm is on the table. It makes my tummy
Shake.
Right.
1, 2, 3. Yay! She did it. She did it. She did it.
All done.
All done. It's like Ariel does all the time. All done.
Wow, wow. I'm stuffer.
And actually, she thought that it won't be enough food for us.
Mm-hmm.
We were hungry. We were outside the all day, in picnic in sun. We did another Mok-Bang today in the morning. Maple Poon, that it's Kevin, and he has a own channel. Kelvin, and he sometimes does Mok-Bang too. So check him out too. He wrote that because we have so many Asian food Mok-Bang, that it said that we probably have Asians. So it was like really lovely.
Well, you're for sure.
We were. I was, I was laughing really laughing out loud. And she asked me why you are laughing. So she said he wrote that we're half Asians. So probably we are.
I think,
especially me.
Yeah, I think you're half Asian. I'm probably quarter, becoming third now.
Yeah.
Not quite half yet.
Yes, I'm Asian. I'm all about Asian food. I'm all about I think it's wonderful. I love it. I love Korean food. I love Taiwanese, Vietnam. Just send me to Asia, and I'm going to be good.
They'll send you to Asia.
Now sleep. No?
I slept. I've been in the park homeschoolers outdoor gathering, let's call it this way, meetup, whatever. And we've been in the park for 4 hours. Well, with them, we were there before because we did a Mok-Bang.
Yeah.
Actually, we arrived before, so we're in the park way longer.
Way longer.
And then we've been there, probably waited for them at least
5-6 hours.
No, we didn't wait for them 5-6 hours. We've been there almost an hour after we finished the Mok-Bang until they came. And after that, we've been with them 4 hours. And I was snoozing on my blanket on and off the whole time.
Go check the video. I will link it somewhere here.
That was so awesome. Fresh air, and I just cuddled there, and I just
If I'm not remember to link it, remind me in description box below that I will link it to our vlog channel, and check it there, because she slept like a baby for about 4 hours, and it was hilarious.
So now I actually feel better. almost energized.
No one it was like, you know, a lot of parents, a lot of kids, and etc., and everyone was hustle and bustle. Just opened your eyes after, said something, and fell asleep.
I know. That was good. Fresh air. My blankie. I got covered myself, and I just like, awesome. The best snooze and the fresh air. Love it, love it, love it.
Yeah. So thank you again. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you for coming back every day and checking us out. Go to if you love us and you want to see even more of us.
If you can't get enough from us.
Yeah. So go to our
vlogging channel
and subscribe because it's the links are definitely in the description box below. And it's very nice, and we're really, really grateful that you're following us there. So yeah, subscribe to Ariel's channel for Snakyland.
He really appreciates all the subscribers and all your lovely comments. He's so happy. Every new subscribers, he's like doing his little dance. He's so cute.
Yes, and that's it. Check out Patreon account and
Etsy
shops, and
see you tomorrow. Yeah, and subscribe to our vlogging channel. It's called Family Daily Fun, but you will link it. I know you said that, but
10 times.
Hey, then it will be 11. Yeah. So anyway,
thank you so much.
Love in life.
Love in life. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Good vibes, loves, and highs, and yeah.
See you tomorrow.
See you
guys.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.